Hello students, in today's lecture we will solve practice questions based on motion in a plane part 6. Clear? So in today's lecture we will cover 7 practice questions. Clear? So first question is, a ship A is moving westwards with a speed 10 km per hour and a ship B 100 km south of A is moving northwards with a speed 10 km per hour. Clear? The time after which the distance between them is shortest, and the shortest distance between them are what? The options is this. Which one is correct? A, B, C, D. Which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After that we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. Clear? So let ship A and B at position as shown in figure. Clear? When distance between them is shortest, relative velocity of B with respect to A is this: V equal to under root V1 square plus V2 square, which is equal to 10 under root 2 km per hour along BC. The shortest distance between A and C is D, given by D equal to AC, which is equal to AB sin 45 degree. Clear? So this is AB and this is AC. Clear? So AB is 100 into 1 by root 2 equal to 50 under root 2 kilometer after solving this term. Clear? Shortest time T equal to D upon VR. Clear? And D is 50 under root 2 upon 10 under root 2. And solving this term, this is 5 hours. So correct answer is B. Clear? Next question. A particle is moving eastwards with velocity 5 meter per second in 10 seconds. The velocity changes to 5 meter per second northwards. The average acceleration in this time is what? Option A is 1 by root 2 meter per second square towards northeast. Option B 1 by 2 meter per second square towards north. Option C 0. And option D 1 by root 2 meter per second square towards northwest. Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After it, we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. So V1 is plus 5i and V2 is plus 5j. So delta V equal to V2 minus V1, which is 5j minus 5i, and magnitude of delta V is 5 root 2. and acceleration is velocity upon time. So magnitude of delta V upon time is equal to 5 root 2 upon 10 is equal to 1 by root 2 meter per second square. Clear? According to this diagram. Clear? X-axis and y-axis. For direction, tan alpha equal to minus 5 by 5, which is equal to minus 1. And average acceleration is 1 by root 2 meter per second square towards northwest. Clear? Next question. The correct answer is D. D is correct answer. Next question, third. A boy can throw a stone up to a maximum height of 10 meter. The maximum horizontal distance that the boy can throw the same stone up to will be what? The given options is 20 root 2 meter, option B 10 meter, option C 10 root 2 meter, and option D 20 meter. Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So, the maximum speed with which the boy can throw stone is V equal to under root 2gh. V equal to under root 2gh. Clear? So putting all numerical term which is given, height is 10 meter, g is 10 and multiply by 2. Clear? The answer is 10 under root 2 meter per second. Clear? Range is maximum. Listen carefully. Range is maximum when projectile is thrown at an angle 45 degree. This is important. Clear? This is important concept. Clear? Range is maximum when the projectile thrown at an angle 45 degree. Thus, R maximum is equal to U square by G. This is the R maximum formula. Angle is 45 degree. So, putting the numerical term, the U is under root 2 multiplied by 10 whole square upon 10, which is equal to 20 meter. So, maximum range is 20 meter. Clear? And correct option is D. D is correct option. Clear? Next question, fourth question. A water fountain on the ground sprinkles water all around it. If the speed of water coming out of the fountain is V, the total area around the fountain that gets wet is what? Option A is pi V raised to the power 4 upon G square. Similarly, option B pi by 4 V raised to the power 4 upon G square, and pi V square by G square pi V square by G. Which one is correct? Solve the question. You have a 10 second to solve the question. After that, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So, according to question, water coming out of the fountain in is V. The total area around the fountain that gives wet is can be calculated by maximum range. The maximum range of water coming out of the fountain, Rm is the maximum range, which is equal to V square by G. Clear? So the total area around fountain, total area A equal to pi r square Rm, where r square Rm is this V square by G. So putting the Rm in the term of area, you will be get pi V 4 raised the power 4 upon G square. Clear? So correct answer is A. A is correct answer. Clear? Next question, fifth question is two fixed frictionless inclined plane. Clear? Frictionless inclined plane making an angle 30 degree and 60 degree with the vertical are shown in the figure, as shown in figure, in this figure. Clear? First is 30 degree, second is 60 degree. Two blocks A and B are placed on the two planes. Box A and box B are placed on the two planes. Question asked about what is the relative vertical acceleration of A with respect to B. Clear? Relative vertical acceleration. The given acceleration options is 4.9 meter per second square in horizontal direction. Option B is 9.8 meter per second square in vertical direction. Option C 0 and option D 4.9 meter per second square in vertical direction. Clear? Which one is correct? You have to find the answer. Clear? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So, according to question, two fixed frictionless inclined plane making an angle 30 degree and 60 degree with vertical are as shown in figure. Clear? A and B are placed on the two planes. What is the relative vertical acceleration? This is the question. So solution is mg sin theta equal to ma. Use this concept. Clear? Mg sin theta is equal to ma. So A is equal to g sin theta, where A is along the inclined plane. Clear? A is what? A is along the inclined plane. And vertical component of acceleration is g sin square theta. Relative vertical acceleration of A with respect to B is g sin squared 60 degree minus sin square 30 degree, which is equal to g by 2, and g is 9.8. After solving, it will be 4.9 meter per second square in vertical direction. Clear? Answer is 4.9 meter per second square in vertical direction. Clear? So correct answer is D. D is correct answer. 4.9 meter per second square in vertical direction. Clear? Next question, sixth question. A particle is moving with velocity v equal to k yi plus xj. This is the velocity of the particle. Clear? Where k is a constant. The general equation for its path is what? The given equation A is y equal to x square plus constant. B is y square equal to x plus constant. And C option is xy equal to constant. D is y square equal to x square plus constant. Which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So, the particle velocity is this, where k is constant. Solution is v equal to kyi plus kxj. And we can rewrite velocity in terms of derivative. dx upon v dt, which is equal to ky, and dy upon v dt is equal to kx. Clear? dy upon v dx is equal to dy upon dt multiply dt upon dx, which is equal to kx upon ky. Clear? After arranging these terms. So y dy equal to x dx, y square equal to x square plus c. Clear? Where c is constant. This c is constant. Clear? So correct answer is D. D is correct answer. Clear? Next question is this. The maximum range of a bullet fired from a toy pistol mounted on a car at rest. Clear? Is R naught is equal to 40 meter. Clear? What will be the acute angle of inclination of the pistol for maximum range when the car is moving in the direction of firing with uniform velocity v equal to 20 meter per second on a horizontal surface? Clear? On a horizontal surface. This is the JEE Main 2013 question. Clear? Take g equal to 10 meter per second square. Which option is correct? Options are A 30 degree, B 60 degree, C 75 degree, and D 45 degree. Clear? Solve the question. You have a 10 second to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So according to question, u square upon g equal to 40. Clear? U equal to 20 meter per second and t equal to 2u sine theta, where theta is 45 degree upon g. Clear? This is the time of flight formula. Clear? And putting the all terms into this formula, 2 into 20 multiply 1 by root 2 multiply 1 by 10. Clear? Yeah, u is initial velocity, which is 20 meter per second, and sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2, and g is 1 by 10. 10. Clear? G is 10. After solving this term, answer is 2 root 2. When a car is moving with speed, velocity is 20 meter per second, then v cos theta plus 20 into t, which is equal to 40, 20 cos theta plus 20 multiplied 2 root 2 equal to 40. So cos square theta by 2 equal to 1 upon 2 root 2. The angle is 60 degree. Clear? So correct answer is 60 degree. B option is correct. Clear? B option is correct. Now summary. The main concept used in today's lecture is effective range formula R and condition for maximum range. Clear? This is the two main concepts used or we learn in today's lecture. Clear? First is effective range formula. Second is condition for maximum range. Clear? Thank you.